Right after you signing into your TurboTax account, you want to go to the lower left of the screen and you want to click on File an Extension button, which will take you to this page. Right here, you can start to file your extension for your federal return. So it's different from the state extension. It specifically lets you file your federal return, generally until October 15th. It may differ for some states or certain condition like natural disaster victims or those who serving in combat zones. But just quick reminder, some states grant an automatic extension as long as you filed your federal extension and don't owe any state taxes. Meanwhile, some states consider your payment as an extension request. So be sure to check on your own states. To do it, you can just scroll to the bottom, then click on How do I file a state extension? And click on Help article right here, which will take you to this page where you can scroll down and search specifically for your own state. Either way, you want to file your federal extension first by clicking right here on Continue button, and then from here, you can start to answer from TurboTax and get your federal extension. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.